You see this thumbnail? This, and this was created with AI, and I'm going to show you how I did it. If you're a YouTube creator, you already know the struggle. You spend hours crafting the perfect video, but without a killer thumbnail, it's basically invisible. The problem? Creating professional thumbnails is expensive. Hiring a designer can cost anywhere from $50 to $300 per thumbnail through services like MiniMaker. And if you try doing it yourself, you are burning through time you could be spending creating content. But here's what most creators don't realize. Your thumbnail isn't just about looking good. It directly impacts your click-through rate. And CTR is one of the biggest factors YouTube's algorithm uses to decide whether your video gets pushed to more viewers or buried in the algorithm graveyard. So what if I told you there's an AI-powered solution that lets you create high-converting, professional thumbnails in seconds with just your video title for less than 35 cents each? No design skills needed, no expensive designers, just you, an AI tool, and thumbnails that can actually compete with the big creators. By the end of this tutorial, I'm also going to share a special offer that'll make this even more accessible for you. So stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. Let's dive in. The tool we're using today is called MangooFX, and I've left the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. To start, let me show you just how fast this thing actually works by creating a thumbnail from scratch using only a title. I'm going to use something simple. Let's say a picture of Donald Trump with the caption, "The Rise of Donald Trump." Then click the Generate button. Now in a few seconds, watch as this simple text transforms to an attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnail. Impressive, right? Now, you see in real time how this AI easily transforms just a few words into a professional-looking thumbnail in seconds. And that's just scratching the surface. Let's quickly download it. But it doesn't stop there. Now let me show you one of the most powerful features, how to edit your thumbnail in real time. All you need to do is click directly on the image you just created. As soon as you do that, you're instantly taken to the editing screen, and you'll notice a prompt box right there waiting for your instructions. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's say I want to add fighter jet to the thumbnail caption to make it more dramatic and eye-catching. I simply draw a box around the area I want it to appear, just like this, and then type my instruction into the prompt box. Something like, add a fighter jet on both sides. Now I hit generate, and within seconds the changes are applied right before your eyes. The AI understands exactly what you want and makes it happen instantly. Pretty cool, right? This kind of real-time editing would normally require advanced Photoshop skills or hiring a designer to go back and forth with revisions, but here, you're in complete control, making changes on the fly within seconds. And the best part? This is just little compared to what I'm going to show you right now. Now, here's where things get really personalized. When you click the Digital Me button on the top right corner, you will see digital avatars of popular celebrities like Speed, Mr. Beast, Lamine Yamal, and others, which you can use to create your thumbnails without issues. Also, you have the option to create your own custom avatar using your own photos, which is incredibly powerful for building your personal brand on YouTube. However, there's an important requirement. You need a minimum of 15 unique, high-quality photos with no duplicates for the AI to accurately learn and contextualize your face. I know not everyone has 15 professional quality photos of themselves just lying around. I get it. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use pre-existing celebrity avatars that are already built into the platform. These are faces that are widely recognized, like Mr. Beast or IShowSpeed, and they work perfectly for showing you how powerful this feature really is. But before we jump into that, let me quickly show you the process for creating a custom character. Because if you do have those 15 quality photos, this is absolutely a feature you'll want to use. You'd go to the Custom Avatar section, upload your photos, again, remembering those golden rules, well lit, no accessories, no filters, and the AI does the rest. It learns your facial features, expressions, and characteristics, so it can place you into any thumbnail scenario you create. Since I don't have 15 suitable photos prepared for this tutorial, let's move forward using one of the celebrity avatars to show you what's possible. The process is exactly the same whether you're using your own face or a preloaded celebrity. Let me use Lamine Yamal and add a prompt like, let the caption read, "I love Cristiano Ronaldo." Now, look at the result. You can't get this quality anywhere in seconds. Now, let me quickly touch on the face swap feature. This is a secondary tool that does exactly what it sounds like. It takes an existing image and simply replaces the face with your avatar. It's fast, it's straightforward, and it works well for quick adjustments. But honestly, there's a much more powerful feature I want to show you that takes this concept to a whole new level. This is the remix function, and this is where things get really exciting. Here's the key difference. While face swap just swaps out a face on an existing image, Remix actually recreates the entire thumbnail from scratch. It uses the original thumbnail as inspiration, which is why you'll see small, unique differences in the final result. It's not just copying, it's reimagining and rebuilding the entire composition with your chosen avatar or face. You can achieve this via a YouTube link of your desired thumbnail, upload a thumbnail design from your device, or use an existing thumbnail design from the MangooFX gallery. Let me show you how powerful this is with a real-world example. I'm going to jump over to YouTube right now and find a viral thumbnail that's performing well. Perfect. I've got one here. Now, I'm going to copy the URL of this thumbnail, head back to MangooFX, and paste it into the remix function. Before I generate this, here are the golden rules you absolutely need to follow for the best results. Make sure the original thumbnail has only one person in it, and that person's face needs to be clear and uncovered, not hidden by text, shadows, or graphic elements. Also, try to choose a thumbnail where the person has a similar physique and gender to your avatar. This helps the AI create a more natural and convincing result. Alright, I'm selecting my avatar and hitting generate. Let's see what happens. Wow, look at that result. The AI has completely recreated this viral thumbnail from the ground up, maintaining all the energy, style, and visual appeal of the original, but now with my selected avatar seamlessly integrated. This looks like it was professionally designed specifically for this face. This is the kind of thumbnail that stops scrollers in their tracks and drives clicks. You can go further to edit it via basic prompting, then download it to your device. And that's it. This is what creators are using to create those beautiful thumbnails that go viral. But before you go, let me tell you about the exclusive deals I've secured for you. First, MangooFX is offering a massive 40% discount on all annual plans. That's nearly half off if you commit for the year, which brings the cost per thumbnail down to practically nothing. But even better, I have a special discount code just for you. Here's exactly what you need to do. Click on the first link in the description below. That'll take you straight to MangooFX. When you're checking out, enter the code AIPipeline20 to claim your 20% discount. Stop wasting time and money on expensive designers or struggling with complicated software. Start creating professional, high-converting thumbnails in seconds. I'll see you in the next one.